Here's how to never get caught watching your secret pictures or videos again. We all have secrets and everyone has that one person, be it a jealous partner, parent or friend, who are always trying to catch us napping. But today I will show you how to get them off your back for good. So if you were watching a private picture or a video and someone tries to pick at you, just shake your phone and the media will disappear. They won't be able to see it in recent apps, and even if they go through your apps, they won't be able to see any app that suggests secret vault or something, because this app can disguise itself as a calculator. The app in question is called Gallery Vault. So go to Play Store and download Gallery Vault. Open Gallery Vault, grant the necessary permissions and create a password. Sign in and verify with your email and you are in. Here's where you can add all your secret media, including pictures, videos, card and ID and document, and can even set separate passwords. But let's go to where the magic happens. Go to your profile, click settings and toggle shake close. Then toggle other settings as you see fit. Go back and turn on icon disguise and Gallery Vault will turn into a calculator. Now to open Gallery Vault, simply long press on the calculator icon on the top left corner. Enter your PIN or fingerprint and you are back in. One feature you should definitely enable in settings is Cloud Sync to ensure that you don't lose your files in case anything happens to your phone. If this video is not worth a like and a subscription to my channel, I don't know what will, so I implore you to like the video, share it with your friends, leave me a thank you in the comments, and please do not forget to subscribe for more.